Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix iPhone cannot connect to iTunes store problem. So the first fix is toggle Wi-Fi, drag down control center and turn off Wi-Fi from control center. Try connecting to iTunes store again to check if the problem is fixed or not. The second fix is switch to cellular data. If Wi-Fi does not work, try using cellular data, for example this. And if cellular data does not work, try using Wi-Fi and then connect to iTunes store again. The third fix is go to settings. From here, search date and time. Tap on it. And from here, make sure it is set to automatically. Set automatically is turned on. If not, turn it on. The fourth fix is open iTunes and force close it. If the issue persists, force close the app and open again to see the changes. The fifth fix is sign out and sign back in. Go to settings. Tap on your Apple ID, scroll down and tap on sign out and sign in again to see if the problem is fixed or not. The sixth fix is check for software update, go to settings, tap on general, tap on software update or make sure if there are any update available, then update it. So that's it, these are the fixes. Thanks for watching, see you in next